Safety training is your first line of defense against workplace hazards. But training plans can be a hassle. Between sick days, new hires, and multiple shifts, it's nearly impossible to schedule a time that works for everybody. Luckily, Cintas has a variety of training solutions to fit your unique needs. You can choose from more than 350 safety training topics, ranging from critical courses like CPR, first aid, and AED, to more specialized content like HazWhopper and OSHA 30-hour. Then, just let us know when you want to train. Using our online Training Central tool, you can see time and date availability for your local instructors or schedule training for your workforce nationwide. We'll accommodate even the most demanding schedules, including evenings and weekends. You can train on-site at your location or at your nearest Cintas First Aid and Safety office. Our certified trainers will provide engaging instruction and hands-on practice. What if someone misses the class? No problem. We've got you covered with convenient online training too. Plus, Cintas makes it easy for you to track your team's training progress, create written programs, and get answers to regulatory questions with the online Safety Management Suite. We know you care about your employees, so get Cintas to help you keep your team ready for the workday.